This is Jason Mosley with the what annual Bacon Fest?
Third annual Bacon Fest.
Third annual Bacon Fest at the Harris Grill in Shadyside. And so, how has the turnout so far today?
Oh, and it's been great. We had probably our biggest pre-sale of tickets ever. Everyone who bought tickets is here. We had a bunch of people come at the door for tickets, so attendance is way up. It's great.
I know one of your sponsors is Sugardale. Who else is sponsoring it?
Sugardale, Wright's Brand Bacon, Big Fork Brands, Tender Belly, and Bite Bistro with their gelato, and Dave and Andy's ice cream with bacon ice cream. They have gelato and ice cream this year.
What has been the biggest hit so far of today?
Probably the bacon wrapped tater tots, surprisingly.
Everyone's talking about those.
Yeah.
They're just regular tater tots with bacon around them.
Yeah, I think because they're also on a stick. So I think people like walking around with like a stick of bacon and potato, and they just like eating it. So
sounds delicious.
Yeah.
The bacon eating contest is on deck for today at 2 o'clock.
Yeah, about 2:15 we're doing the bacon eating contest. It's 3 pounds of bacon in 3 minutes. So it's basically whoever can eat 3 pounds in 3 minutes, or whoever can eat the most bacon in 3 minutes. Last year we had someone eat like 2.5 pounds of bacon in 3 minutes, so he's in it today. So the competition is probably going to be pretty fierce. And so there's supposedly a competitive eater here. So we'll see what happens.
I look forward to it.
Yeah, it's about 2:15. So.
All right, well, to a third successful bacon bash. Well done. Thank you.
You have 3 minutes, there's 3 pounds there. So if you eat it all in 3 minutes, it's great. If you don't, it's the most in 3 minutes. Got it? Got it. Everyone understand the rules? No cheating, we're going to be watching it. If you cheat, you're disqualified.
How can you cheat? Throw it in the brine?
It's okay, throw your bacon on the floor. Onions up your nose. All right, is everyone ready? Yeah. Ready? All right, everyone give a round of applause. Come on. Woo! Alright guys, here we go. On your mark. Get set. Go. Go. Go Arteries. I gotta watch.
This guy's gonna be behind his stuff.
Oh my god.
Is he basting this with you? Dave, let's slide on your gullet. No.
Come on, Heather.
Yeah, eat the greasiest ones first.
Oh, we got the fold technique going on. This guy with the long hair's got the fold technique going on. See it?
Technique. Who the guy in the green?
Shove it.
Hey, whatever it takes.
Come on, AJ.
Come on, Dave. Move those jaws. Keep pushing, dude.
Let's go. Push it.
Come on, Tucker, don't let them mess with Texas. Nobody messes with Texas.
Come on,
The intensity.
Come on, Heather, keep going. All right, guys, 2 minutes.
Oh, too much chewing.
2 minutes.
Come on, Dave, be faster.
The third placer last year was a 9-year-old girl.
Yeah.
She did this like Cookie Monster thing last time.
I will French kiss the winner.
Both hands.
You are? I'm going to French kiss the winner, though.
Yeah, second placer had a star David.
Mosley.
Oh, okay.
Can I French kiss the winner?
That's what she said.
Look at the focus.
I know.
Guys, keep up the pace.
Go ahead, yeah. Come on, AJ, you got him. Cheater!
What? This guy here came second 2 years ago. There was this guy here who won it, and he had like
3 minutes.
jaw muscles like a pep. And he finished the whole bag at the end.
Oh, God. Everything in your mouth.
Well, wait, who's second place? How? I do that right now.
That's they said last year.
You have to finish
12 years.
Oh.
Go, Heather. 1 minute, guys. 1 minute.
Suck that pork!
Come on, AJ.
Come on, dude, you're way behind.
Suck that pork!
Keep going, Eddie.
If I'd catch up, 30
seconds, guys. Don't give up now.
Come on,
He's feeding his gun. He's gonna mama bird it later.
10, 9,
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Way to wash down with some bacon.
still eating.
Speech. What is your strategy?
Eat all the bacon. But there are no losers here because we all got to destroy pounds and pounds of bacon.
Nice.
Thank you very much.
Whatever you donate, you get to take home.
At least I didn't do horribly. Oh, you know what?
All right, thank you everybody. We've got about 20 minutes left of bacon eating enjoyment. We will put some more of the food back out, come out with some more of the ice cream and the gelato and the cake, and that'll do it.